Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I don't know how to explain, but that I almost earned around 9%. Yeah, 9% yesterday. You don't believe me, guys. Yeah, and this setup was so good that I made around 9% yesterday. I risk only 1%. Yeah, I only risk 1% of my not capital, but 1% of the trade, and I almost made yesterday 9%, which was so good. And I just put my capital of around 10,000, and which I got around 10,000. 9%, you can easily calculate. It's a $900 only when I was asleep yesterday, and I just put a trade, and I just go to bed, and morning I just my trade was so good. So I just want to show you guys how I trade yesterday bull, right? This setup is so amazing. You can see this. I'll just clear this my setup, which was yesterday. So when I was looking for a trade yesterday, this was whole. You can see this structure, right? In a 1 hour time frame, it's a pure consultation, a nice consultation. It broke up, right? And as you know already that how I trade, I just trade looking a structure. My structure was telling that it was moving a sideways, and it broke up, right? Many times it was trying to break up, right, but it failed. Now it break up, and I only enter in when the price retest and give a rejection to downward, right? It retest and it gives a rejection, but I you know you I didn't I don't like the volume, right? You can see this here volume, this hammer candle. I was trying to enter this hammer candle, but the volume was so low, and you can see that at last the volume come after the hammer candle. I thought I missed this trade, so I waited, and sorry for this, I waited, and I also look, right? You can see I looked, I moved to lower time frame to the weather to see if there was a good opportunity. It was coming down, right? I wanted to see a double bottom, right, like this, but I didn't see a double bottom. It just go up and down, right? And I see here, you can see this structure, right? This was like not rejecting this structure, right? First of all, the support made by a hammer candle, I didn't see a volume, and I waited. After this big volume came, and I thought I missed this nice trade, but it came to retest again, because it didn't made a double bottom right here, right? It didn't made a double bottom. I thought it would made a double bottom, but it didn't made. So I waited. It came to again this structure level in a 1 hour time. You can see that it came to this structure level, and it again formed a hammer kind of candle, liked which I liked very much, and I thought this might be my last opportunity to enter this trade. And I tried to enter this trade, but I didn't see a volume again. So I think I need a confirmation. And the news was also going to come, the Fed news of interest rate, right? And so I waited. I think the market could go volatile, because the news was near when I was going to trade this chart, right? This currency called mana, and cryptocurrency mana. So this I didn't find volume, and I thought it could be a it could I think I would rather wait for confirmation. So there was EMA. You can also look that EMA is supported, right? See there. And when I put the fifth retracement, it also touched the second times. First time 0 0.5, which was my golden zone. Second also it touches the 0 0.5 and retracted, rejected this level. I thought after this I need some kind of confirmation. So you know that it did move up, right? It did move up, but after that a huge crash came, like a huge volume. You can see that this volume made me the this whole setup was fake out. This volume made me the volume of this red candle made me think that this whole setup was invalid. The bulls, that was a trap. So I thought this was a trap, but I just looked for a while that it was a pure consolidation. It broke up, and the EMA is also supporting this 50 MA, also supporting, and it also made in a 1 hour time frame. You can see a double bottom, which was my proper setup, and this was crashing. The hourly candle was not closed, it was crashing down in 15 minutes. So I see, I think this can be a manipulation, right? This can be a manipulation for those who are afraid of who are afraid of the market could go volatile, and they can short the market, right? Yeah, and so many who have and many traders who had placed their trade right here, um, to take a long the whole stop, this this manipulation could stop their stop out, right? So in a 5 minute chart, I went to a 5 minute chart because I was not satisfied, because my setup was good, and the market was not going according to my setup. So I was so sad, and I was waiting. I was looking to 5 minute to see whether it's a manipulation or not, and I see a, you can see this double bottom. It came down, huge spinning candle, and again it came again it rejected this level, right? You can see, I see a few retracement. Oh, sorry, I see a strength in RSI, right? RSI was a bullish divergence. It rejected double times. There was a manipulation, but the RSI didn't go down to the oversold zone, right? Because the RSI didn't tell that this was a, the you can see that RSI was going down, going sideways, but the price was going down. It means that there is a bullish divergence, which means that it is a manipulation. And I was going to enter at this, you can see I was going to enter at this spinning candle, but it could be a manipulation, it could be a real fake out. So I waited whether it come to reject this level or not. It again came to this level and it rejected, and in 15-minute time frame there was a 200 MA support, right? You can see there was a 200 MA support, this level. There was a 200 MA support at this level, and I thought it was coming to retest this 200 MA. The 200 MA could push the market to up, right? So I moved to 5 minute. I just trade at this level. I just placed my long at this level. I just bought at this level around, you can see this level. I was longing at this level, and my stop loss was, if it was a pure fake out to upward, then it could go downward easily, right? So I put stop loss around below this structure where the price massively rejected the downward, and the real demand zone was also at this level, right? This level was a real demand zone. So I waited, and look, I was not feeling good yesterday, so I was gone to sleep. If the price hit this level, if this was a real fake out, then the price could easily hit this level. So I just put my stop loss right at this level, and I let my trade go on, and I just sleep. I was not targeting anywhere, but I'm sure that if the market goes up, then it will go massively up, because this has been consolidation so much, and if it breaks out, then there will be a good amount of breakout, right? There will be a good move. So I thought it could give me a good move. So I just take a buy at this level. I just put a stop loss, and when it reaches this level, I thought the price could go up, so I didn't place any target. I just move up like this around 5%, 4%, which I um, take every time. With every trade I just take around 3, 4, 5%. I just I didn't put a target, but I just set this my this longing position, this risk to reward, like this, and I just went to sleep. And morning, when I get up, it moved to around this level, around 9.50 level, and it was coming down, and there was a massive volume in 15 minutes. I thought this could go down. So around at this level, I just exit this trade, and my profit was around $900, which was good. And this setup, you can see, you can also get this kind of setup yesterday. um, this one breakout, retest, double bottom. You can see a double bottom right here and move to around 9%. And you know, this is how I trade. And every time from tomorrow onward, I just, I will just I will I would take a trade and I will tell you while I'm how I'm taking profit, right? I just you think that I'm just not, I didn't take trade, but I just elaborating or explaining how the market works. But no, I did take this trade. I want to give you a proof, but from tomorrow onwards, I'm trying to show you that how I trade before I trade. I'll just explain you what I'm going to trade, and while I'm trade and what amount of profit I'm making. And this kind of video I'll just show you guys. If you subscribe me, if you like me, and just comment me if you find this good, what I missed, and what was my wrong entry, and was it my wrong entry. Or you can also comment me if I will just do whatever. If you I'll just do you whatever you like. And what type of content do you like, I'll just publish it. Just keep on subscribing me, liking me, and I'll give you this kind of content. For tomorrow onward, I'm going to give you the profitable chart every day before I take a trade, and after I take a trade, and while I'm taking trade. So please subscribe me.